Most women don't realize this. Oh, it's not your body, it's your fit. You can wear the same tank top and look completely different depending on how it fits you. Sometimes it feels off, loose, uneven, unflattering, and you don't even know why. Here's what's actually happening. Loose straps create gaps, extra fabric hides your natural shape, and poor structure makes everything look unbalanced. It's subtle, but it changes your entire look. But the truth is, you don't need a new outfit. You just need the right adjustment. Start with the straps. They should feel secure, not loose. Smooth the fabric. Remove any extra bulk around the sides. Let the top follow your natural body line. Not fight against it. It's not about tighter clothes, it's smarter fitting. And now look at the difference. The same tank top, but cleaner, sharper, more defined. Your posture changes, your silhouette improves, and your confidence shows instantly. This is what real style means. Simple changes, powerful results. The LipTique. If this helped you, like this video, share it with someone who needs this, and comment below. What mistake have you been making? Subscribe to the LipTique for global fashion that actually works.